Alrighty, here we go. Nicholas90 doing a box of Dominion. Good luck, sir. Come on. Say an average thickness. Some of them are crazy thin. It's not one of those. Alright. Corey Crawford, $2.99. Then you have a private signings of Tom Wilson. Let's go to the back. Zach Redmond, rookie autograph to $2.99. I want to go to the middle. There's a gold base. Let's pull that up. Chris Letang, number to 50. Gold base. Keith Yandel, two-color patch, number 10 of 10. And it's hard for the camera to see. There's a, you can see it there. Right to the side there. And gold rookie patch auto numbered 16 of 50. They one-colored you, though. At least it's not white. Mikhail Grigorenko. Gold rookie patch auto numbered to 50. There you have it, sir.